Hello everyone, welcome back to Unchased Travel. I'm George.
And I am Bella. You've heard the saying, less is more, plenty of times, but we travelers think differently because for us, more is less. Today we're embarking on a journey to one of Italy's most breathtaking destinations, the Amalfi Coast. This stunning stretch of coastline is famous for its dramatic cliffs, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a sunseeker, a history enthusiast, or a foodie, the Amalfi Coast promises an unforgettable experience.
Wow, you're getting better and better in these days. You should thank me for this.
Haha, very funny. Anyway, I want to remind you that the Amalfi Coast is not just Amalfi. Wait and watch. Are you guys ready for this? Let's start. The nearest major airport to the Amalfi Coast is Naples International Airport, located about 60 kilometers from the place. You can reach the Amalfi Coast by taxi, private transfer, or a combination of train and bus services. We recommend renting a car to have flexibility and freedom. Just be prepared for narrow and winding roads. Our first stop is Sorrento. Although not technically part of the Amalfi Coast, Sorrento is a popular gateway to the region, known for its beautiful sunsets and lively atmosphere. Explore the bustling Piazza Tasso and visit the historic Sedile Dominova. Wander through Sorrento's charming streets filled with boutiques offering local crafts, including handmade ceramics, leather goods, and limoncello souvenirs. You can relax at Marina Grande, a picturesque fishing village with a lovely beach. For nature lovers, the Punta Campanella Natural Reserve provides stunning views and excellent hiking trails. You can also learn about local marine life at the Marine Protected Area of Punta Campanella. Don't forget to try the famous limoncello, a delicious lemon liqueur.
You being boring today, Bella? Let me talk about the food.
Don't call me boring, you loser. And don't talk to me. Oops.
Anyway, the show must go on, right? Talking about the food, the Amalfi Coast is a paradise for food lovers. Don't miss the chance to indulge in fresh seafood, homemade pasta, and local specialties such as sfogliatella, a shell-shaped pastry, and delicia al limone, a lemon-flavored dessert. The region's cuisine is heavily influenced by the Mediterranean diet, featuring olive oil, fresh vegetables, and local cheeses. Pair your meals with a glass of local wine or the famous limoncello. You can also join a local cooking class to learn how to make traditional Italian dishes, from fresh pasta to mouth-watering desserts. These classes often include a visit to the market to select ingredients. Moving on, we can take a boat trip to Capri from Sorrento. Capri is an island off the coast of the Sorrentine Peninsula, known for its rugged landscape, upscale hotels, and designer shops. The island's natural beauty and glamorous reputation make it a must-visit destination. Start your visit by exploring the enchanting Blue Grotto, a sea cave with an eerie blue light that will leave you mesmerized. Then, take a chairlift to Monte Solaro for breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the Bay of Naples. The ride itself is an experience, offering you a peaceful journey up the mountain with stunning scenery all around. Next, head to the Gardens of Augustus, where beautifully manicured terraces overlook the sea. Stroll through the chic Piazzetta, the heart of Capri's social life. This lively square is filled with cafes and shops. A boat tour around the island to see its stunning coastline and the Faraglioni rock formations is a highlight. For adventure seekers, hiking the Pizzolungo Trail offers breathtaking views. Don't forget to visit Capri, a charming town on the western side of the island. If you're also planning to visit the North Italy, you should consider watching our Italy travel guide, link in description. The next amazing place is Positano. Of course, you know this place, but today you will be in love. Just driving down to the town is incredible, offering you the best sea views. But we are a little bit disappointed because we noticed that 96.5% of you watching aren't subscribed yet. It's free for you, but for us, it is the biggest support that we can get. Hit that subscribe button now. And of course, we are happy to have your suggestions for the next videos. Comment below your favorite destination and your name to feature in the next video. Coming back to the track, often called the jewel of the Amalfi Coast. Positano is renowned for its steep, narrow streets, lined with vibrant bougainvillea and chic boutiques. The pastel-colored houses cascading down the cliffs create a picture-perfect scene. You can wander through picturesque lanes, visit the Church of Santa Maria Assunta with its iconic dome, relax on Spiaggia Grande Beach, and explore the many boutiques selling handmade sandals, linen clothing, and local crafts. Rent a boat and explore the beautiful coastline at your own pace, or take a boat trip to the nearby Lee Galley Islands. For a unique experience, hike the Path of the Gods for some of the most spectacular views of the coastline. Don't miss trying your hand at ceramic painting, a traditional craft of the area. Next stop, Amalfi. Before that, we want to inform you that the best time to visit the Amalfi Coast is from April to October, when the weather is warm and the sea is inviting. July and August are the peak tourist months, so visiting in May, June, or September can offer a more relaxed experience with fewer crowds. Moving on this place, honestly saying I need Bella here. Bella, where are you? It's your turn now. Look, I was joking before. You are the best.
Stop, you liar.
If you start talking now, I will bring you your favorite ice cream.
Really? It's a deal.
I know you very well.
Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi is rich in history and charm. Its main attraction is the striking Amalfi Cathedral, which dominates the town center with its impressive facade and beautiful interior. You can also stroll through the charming Piazza del Duomo, visit the ancient paper museum to learn about papermaking, and hike through Valle delle Ferriere, a lush nature reserve with waterfalls and rare plants. We highly recommend this hike. Before going to our stunning and last stop, we want to talk about something really important that you don't want to miss. When visiting the Amalfi Coast, it's important to avoid some common mistakes to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Travel during the shoulder seasons to avoid crowds. Don't overpack, as the narrow streets and stairs make heavy luggage a hassle. Failing to make reservations for popular spots can lead to long waits. Don't limit your visit to just the famous towns. Smaller villages offer fewer crowds and authentic experiences. Relying solely on credit cards can be problematic, as some places only accept cash. One more thing, don't overplan your itinerary. Last stop, Ravello. Perched high above the coast, this town offers stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere. It's famous for its beautiful gardens and historic villas, such as Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbroni, both of which are perfect for a leisurely stroll. You can attend a classical music concert at the Ravello Festival, held annually in the gardens of Villa Ruffolo, and explore the town's medieval streets and squares. Don't miss visiting the 11th century Ravello Cathedral, which features a beautiful mosaic pulpit. For a unique experience, join a wine tasting tour at a local vineyard and sample the best wines of the region. If you still have some more time, you can visit towns like Praiano, Atrani, and Minori, which offer authentic experiences and fewer crowds. George, thank God you came. I almost finished. Give me my ice cream.
Here you go, sweetheart. I think Bella has done a wonderful job. What do you think? Comment below. So like you saw, with its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and delightful cuisine, the Amalfi Coast is a destination that captures the heart of every traveler. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more amazing travel content to you. And if you're still craving more adventure, check out our 50 places to visit before you die. Yeah, this video right in front of you.